Well, I'm lost. I don't know where to go.
No, I'm lost too. I think she skipped a step.
What is he talking about?
I don't know, kid. I'm as lost as you are.
You're staring.
No, not really. I'm lost in your eyes.
What are you doing here?
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
Don't worry, I won't hurt you.
Oh no! I'm lost!
I'm sorry, Peter. I'm lost.
I'm not from Calcutta. I'm lost.
This is not easy to say. I'm lonely, I'm lost, I need someone to hold, to love.
Frank. Over here.
Well, doesn't he realize that I'm not there? I'm lost. Oh, I'm a lost toy.
I rehearsed this speech 1,000 times on the chance that we would meet. Here we are, and I'm lost.
Well, I don't know how I'm supposed to be feeling either.
I'm lost. I can't find my mommy. Will you take me to the diamond run? Why don't you just grow up?
Fine, I'll just go on my own then.
Fine. Go ahead.
Fine.
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 Hi. I'm looking for Mr. Rubin's apartment, but it's all dark out here in the hall, and I'm lost.
Just a second.
Hey, Mike. Listen, I know your cell phone's off, but I wanted you to know that I followed you up to the hot springs, and now I'm lost.
What are you doing out of class?
You know what? I'm lost. Can't find math. Any ideas?
No. I'm lost too.